15 motherfucking minutes. Man, I ain't ate the box long enough for 15 minutes. Man, I ain't even warmed up the goddamn microwave for 15 minutes. What the fuck, nigga? Shit, I'm trying to break this shit down in ratio. So I'm talking about some, okay, 5 minutes for foreplay, 5 minutes for eating the box, 5 minutes for you give me top, 5 minutes goddamn penetration, 5 minutes goddamn switch positions. Shit, I'm already at 30 minutes. What the fuck y'all doing for 15 minutes? It make me feel like y'all just in there shrugging shoulders, goddamn sweating. I ain't even got enough 15 minutes to goddamn build a sweat.